What's up, Naughty Nation? It's your boy Bronson. Today we're on a job site and I'm gonna show you how to prep for a pour.
The Naughty Artisan.
Okay, starting out, these were granite countertops. They were that really, really ugly, dirty granite. We primed and used a bonding primer on top of this surface so it will bite. Whenever you're gonna go on top of a stone, stone's really brittle and really smooth, so it's hard to adhere to, so you wanna use a good bonding primer. We used a Valspar product called Extreme Adhesion, but there's XIM you can get at Sherwin-Williams and some other places like that. Is a really good product as well. So we primed all of our surfaces as well. The key to when you're pouring on site is we don't want to ruin these cabinetry and we don't want to get anything on the floor. We don't want to make more work for ourselves or lose money replacing things that we got our resin on and ruined, right? So first off, if you see here, we've got this green tape. When we come along the entire top of this surface, we green tape first, and then we use a heavy duty masking tape with a 3mm sheet of plastic. And if you'll notice, this plastic's cut down, and then all the way around. So any resin that falls is gonna hit my plastic, and I didn't make a seam here. It's not two pieces, it's one long one that comes up under here, and then it will keep the resin both off my cabinetry and off my floor. The reason we do that green tape first is that green tape releases better from the cabinets. We don't want to rip off any stain or any paint or anything like that. And the white tape adheres a little stronger, so we want our plastic to stay put and come right up to the edge. We took a half a day to prep this house. The devil's in the details when pouring in place. I don't like to do it. We rarely do it. When we do, we really go overboard on the prep. So that's how you set that up. If you come over here, this had a stove top that was in the countertop as well, so we removed that. And then if you look down here, we've actually made the opposite of what you just saw. We've got our plastic in here, so it's not falling into the cabinetry bottom as well. So when we pour along here, any drips that will come will be caught by this plastic as well. We're putting full-length backsplashes on here. I put these here just for visual purposes for this video. So what'll happen is we're gonna put our backsplashes into place first, and then we'll pour this counter. And when we pour, we're actually gonna pour it right up against here. So it's actually gonna become one seamless piece, because it'll go here and then dry. We don't have to caulk it or anything like that. And we're good to go. So I've got those there just as an example. Probably the hardest part of prep is the sink area. It's always a pain in the butt. So we took a lot of time. If you'll come over here, we completely lined the sink with plastic. And then the key to this is we really got our tape right up in there in that razor type, and we used a ton of it. So we want to tape that all up. And then I'll bonding primer this here in a minute. And then we'll get ready to pour. So when the epoxy comes over, it'll set. The key to the sinks I found is let the epoxy attack up a little bit and then pull the tape a little bit away, so it doesn't, otherwise you'll end up having to cut it away. You can do that as well, it just becomes more of a hassle. You can see anywhere that we possibly thought there could be resin, we covered. These double stoves, we didn't want to get those, so we covered them as well. The cabinetry edges with the blue tape we got, really anything. And we also threw this paper down. If you'll follow, anywhere we're gonna walk, in case we step in it, we don't wanna walk our tracks of resin throughout the house. So you'll see here, we've actually put this paper down everywhere that we're gonna walk, all the way out here, if you follow me, to the front door. All right, so that's how you prep a kitchen for pouring in place. The really, really key is in the preparation. Take your time. Like I said, this took us half a day. Tape up everything you possibly can, double tape it, make sure you've got a good thick plastic on it, 3mm or larger. Put down some paper anywhere you're gonna walk. The whole idea is resin is a liquid. So if there's the littlest, tiniest chink in your tape, it's gonna find it and then drip down the front of the cabinets and stuff, and then you've got a problem. So we're gonna go out of our way so we don't have a problem. So do the extra mile and then your pour will turn out perfect. All right, thanks a lot for watching our video on how to prep your kitchen for a pour. If you liked our video, we don't ask for money, but we do ask for 3 things. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring this bell so you're the first to find out when we've got new videos as well.
The Naughty Artisan. The Naughty Artisan.